Namaste my dear children, how are you all? Yes, this week also we are going to see the same Roman numeral. See, this is third Roman. They are asking us to compare this and this. That means we want to fill either any one of the symbol. See, before I compare this and this, first I should convert both Roman numerals into Hindu-Arabic value. How to convert this into Hindu-Arabic value? Before come from the beginning. First let me finish the last one. As I told you in the previous video, first I am going to check the last one, last letter, that represent number 10. But see, the previous one that represent number 1. That means this will belong to 1 to 9. That means this is the 1-digit number. So what do we want to do? We want to circle. Not only this also, because we are having the single digit before the last one, so we should circle both the things. This circle, inside the circle what do we have? That is 1s. This represent number 9. So first fill it up. Now come to the previous one. See, this represent number 10. This represent number 10. This represent number 50. Now we want to add each value. 50 plus 10, 60. 60 plus 10, 70. 70 plus 9 will be 79. Dash. Now come to this one. See, here also first let me finish the last one. See, the last one that represent number 1. So that is single digit. Single digit means again we should check the previous one also. Sometimes previous one also will be single digit. So I am checking this. This is also single digit. This is also represent the same number 1. See the previous one, that too also. Then previous letter also what? Represents single digit, that is 5. So I am going to circle all these 4 letters. This represent number 8. Now come to the previous one, that is what? What is the value? That represent number 50. Now come to the previous one, that represent number 10. Listen to me carefully children, I am not going to add here. What I am going to do first? See, this is small. First one is small, next one is big, means we want to subtract. When are we subtracting this? 50 minus 10 will be 40. Then with that 40 we want to add this single digit. So 40 plus 8 will be 48. Now we can compare easily because both are Hindu-Arabic numeral. Which is greater now? This is greater. So we should put which symbol? Greater than. Now come to the next one. Next Roman. Here also I am going to compare. One side is in the form of Roman value. Another side they have given one expression. First I should simplify this. When I divide this 240 by 3, answer will be what? 80 dash. Now you convert this Roman value into Hindu Arabic value. Roman numeral into Hindu Arabic numeral. This alone, as usual, I am going to come again from the last. This represent number 10, that is double digit. Previous one also represent number 10, that too also double digit. So for last x put 10, for the previous x put 10, before that also x, so put another 10. Then this L represent 50. Now we want to add 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. So keep this 80 as it is dash. When we are adding all these things, here also we are getting 80. So our answers on both the sides are equal. So put equal to. That's all. I hope everybody understood this. Not understand means make a call and ask. Stay home, stay safe, stay connected. Thank you, children.